The loops we'll be looking at today in Python are the for and while loops. We will also look at the continue and break keywords, as well as the else statement when used with loops. The for loop is controlled by specifying a variable name, the keyword in, and the collection you are iterating over. You can use a predefined collection or specify a range of numbers to iterate through. The while loop iterates based on a condition. It will check the condition and continue to iterate so long as the condition is true. It is important to ensure that the condition can be met, or this will result in an infinite loop and crash the program. Break tells the computer that we want to break the current loop and can be used to terminate loops under certain conditions. See here we break the loop if the count is greater than or equal to 5. Continue can be used with loops to tell the computer to skip the current iteration. This allows it to not run certain code for specific conditions, but doesn't stop the loop overall. Here we use it to only print out numbers if I modulo 2 equals 0. Lastly, let's examine the else statement used in conjunction with loops. Here we see two examples. In the first, the else statement is printed at the end of the loop when the count is no longer less than 5. The else is used to print out a notification that we have reached our target. In the second example, the else will not be triggered as the break statement will terminate the loop first. It's been my pleasure to go over these Python loops with you, but your journey is just getting started. Go into a program of your own and try these out. If you like this video, like it and subscribe below so that you don't miss out on more programming concepts coming your way soon.